Time. What is time? Nobody knows how it was started. We have 24 hours in a day, means 86,400 seconds per day. And you know the surprising part of it? We cannot control it. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use our time and not procrastinate. Let's talk about this. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Ahmad Khan and you people are watching Learnable. And if you want to increase knowledge about the books, personality development and anything that has impact in your life, subscribe my channel. And without wasting our time, let's get started our video. Use your time, optimize your time, make a schedule, make a daily routine that will help you to increase your potential. And that's the right thing. But do you know the surprising part of it? We don't do it. Why do we not do it? There's only one thing behind this. We don't like our work, we don't like our job, that's why we don't do this. For example, I want to give an example. If I would tell you that there is only two things that you can do: read a book that will help you to increase your knowledge, increase anything that can increase your wisdom as well. And in the other hand, I tell you that use your mobile. So what will you choose? Obviously you will choose to use your mobile. Why do you choose to use your mobile? There's only one reason, and that is that gives you an instant pleasure. That's why you choose it. There is a second biggest question: why do we procrastinate? And there is the same answer: we don't like our work, that's why we procrastinate. I wanna give you an example. You have make your daily routine and you get up early in the morning. What do? There are lots of people who choose to exercise because they have a priority game. They know what to do and what will help them to boost their future. On the other hand, there are lots of people who choose to use their mobile, and they will say we will choose only 10 or 5 or 10 minutes, and after that we will leave it. But behind that, we start to use our mobile, our TV, our electronic devices, and then we waste our hour and hour while using it. And that's a big thing about it. We don't know how to use it, and we don't know about the priorities, which thing is important ourselves. In today's world, we are stuck between electronic devices, mobile, tablet, laptops, TV, etc. And you know the surprising part of it? Electronic devices don't have a will. We have a willpower to choose what is right and what is wrong. We don't have command to control them. For example, when you get up early in the morning, so at the night, put your mobile phone far from the bed, that you are not going to use your mobile phone in the morning. That will help you. These small habits, small things will help you to increase you to manage your time in a proper way, and then you will not procrastinate. You might have some ideas in your mind that I will do this thing when I got time, I will do this thing when I got time, and you know the what is the right time to do that thing. Now this is the right time to do that thing. Ideas in your mind: start a business, I will start to read books, I will play this game, I will play table tennis, I will start to make a institute. There are lots of things in your mind, and you say when I got time, so then I will do it. And do you know the surprising part of it? What is the right time to do that? Now. This is the right time to do that. So don't waste your time and start to optimize your time in a proper way. Make a schedule. When you wake up early in the morning, so don't start to waste your time. At the night, make a schedule that will help you to optimize your day in a proper way, and then you will not procrastinate in your life. I can only give you instructions what to do and what not to do, but at the end you need to do this. You need to fulfill your command, you need to fulfill your act for your better future. And if you like it, so hit that like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and share this video with your friends, relatives. Give me the suggestion what to do next in the comment box. Thanks for watching.